Hello and welcome to this lecture where we are going to start the most interesting part, which is the generation of Python code to show the statistics about the data. So we can type the following: create a Python code to read this file and display the basic statistics. A new Python code has been just generated. As we can see, it is importing pandas library, reads the file census.csv, display basic statistics for numerical columns, and display basic information about the data frame. Then it just prints the basic statistics and information. Copy the code, open Google Colab. All implementations will be done in Google Colab online, so you don't need to worry about installing and setting the environment on your own machine. However, if you want, you can use any IDE you would like. For example, Spider, PyCharm, and so on. You have access to this file. To run or to make changes, you need to click on File, Save a Copy in Drive. When you click this link, a copy of this notebook will be made on your own Google Drive. You must have a Google account and you also need to be connected to it. In the case you would like to copy and paste the code step by step, you need to click on New Notebook. I'm going to open a new cell of code and paste the code that has been generated by ChatGPT. We need this file, census.csv. We need to load it to the Google Colab environment. You can click this button, Files, and then Upload to Session Storage. And then you select Census CSV and send it to the environment. Just a reminder that this file is available in the course materials. When the upload is complete, we can click this button to run the code. As we can see, it has been correctly executed. First, we have the basic statistics. It is considering each one of the columns, the known amounts, as well as the type of the data. For example, age is int 64, work class is object, and so on. Here we can visualize the basic statistics about each one of the numerical columns. If you are not satisfied with this code, you can click on Regenerate, so a new version will be created. It is only using the describe function, so we can click on Regenerate again. It is displaying the basic statistics for the numeric columns. As we can see, it is including int and float columns. And again, it is using the describe function. As we are asking a code to display the basic statistics, when you click on Regenerate, a similar code will be generated. If you want more statistics to be returned, you can use a more specific prompt. For example, create a script to show the basic statistics including sample of the first rows, statistics of the numeric columns, count of unique values for the categorical columns, and count of unique values for the class column, which is the target variable. Now we have another version and it is related to the prompt we have just sent. I'm going to copy and paste the new code, run it, and we can see here the sample of the first rows, statistics for the numeric columns, count of unique values for the categorical columns. For example, considering the work class, there are 9 different values. For education, 16 different values, and so on. And here at the end, count of unique values for the class column, which is income. More than 24,000 people earns less or equal to 50, and more than 7,000 people earns more than 50. As we can see, when we specify exactly what we want, the results are better. We can see the code here. The categorical columns are obtained using the object data type. In the next lecture, we are going to continue. See you there!